Deep cleaning on Asus ZenBook Pro 12 Duo laptop. Thank you, Sir Ryan, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Deep cleaning on a laptop is essential for maintaining peak performance, preventing overheating, and extending the lifespan of internal components. Over time, dust and debris accumulate inside the device, particularly in cooling fans, heat sinks, and vents, restricting airflow and causing higher. This can lead to thermal throttling, reduced performance, and even long-term hardware damage if not addressed. Unlike simple external cleaning, deep cleaning involves carefully disassembling the laptop to remove hidden dust buildup and restore proper cooling efficiency. This process helps prevent fan malfunctions, enhances battery performance, and reduces the risk of overheating-related failures. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.